Hello and welcome to Baby and Toddler Storytime. How are you? I hope that you are having a great week. Please, before you leave, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today we are going to be learning about animals. This book is called My Animals, Mis Animales by Rebecca Emberley. Let's get started. My Animals, Mis Animales. Fish, el pez. Rabbit, el conejo. Goat, la cabra. Cat, el gato. Mouse, el ratón. Squirrel, el ardilla. Bird, el pájaro. Pig, el cerdo. Turtle, la tortuga. Dog, el perro. Skunk, la mofeta. Horse, el caballo. Chicken, la gallina. Goose, el ganso. Cow, la vaca. Wow, we learned so many animals' names. I have another nice book for you. It's all about toys. This book is called My Toys, Mis Juguetes by Rebecca Emberley. Blocks, los bloques. Rings, los aros. Balls, las pelotas. Jump rope, la cuerda de comba. Teddy bear, el osito de peluche. Dolls, las muñecas. Beads, las cuentas. Top toys, los juguetes de baño. Car, el auto. Truck, el camión. Castle, el castillo. Dress up clothes, la ropa de disfraz. Crayons, los crayones. Paint, las pinturas. Puppets, los títeres. Tricycle, el triciclo. Puzzle, el rompecabezas. Scooter, el patinete. This book was called My Toys, Mis Juguetes. Now I have another book for you. This one is about different type of babies, animal babies that is. This book is called Hello Baby by Men Facts. Hello baby, who are you? Which animal you think this is? Did you say monkey? Yes. Are you a monkey? Which clever toes, right? Look at the clever toes. That's a monkey. Perhaps you are a porcupine, twitching its nose. You think it is a porcupine? Are you an eagle exploring the sky? Or perhaps you are a gecko with rolling eyes. No, I don't think so. This tail looks different. Are you a lion with dust on its paws? No. Perhaps you are a hippo with yawning. Yaw. Are you a leopard dusting all dust? No. Perhaps you are an elephant wielding a tusk. Nope, I don't think so. Are you a warthog, hilarious and hairy? Perhaps you are a crocodile, silent and scary. Nope, I don't think so. That tail was black, right guys? Are you a zebra, drinking and sipping? Nope. Perhaps you are an owl with a winky wink. No. Which animal you guys think it is? The tail. Remember the tail? Let's go back and see it. This is the tail. Which animal you think it belongs to? We saw so many of them, right? I wonder which animal has that tail. We about to find out right now, right? Are you ready? You ready? I'm ready. Let's see. We saw all these animals already until here. So let's find out. Then who are you, baby? Wait, let me guess. Are you my treasure? The answer is... Let's find out. Yes! That was a great book, right guys? Now I have another one. This one is called I Kissed the Baby. Let's see. This book is by Mary Murphy. I Kissed the Baby. I saw the baby. Did you see the baby? Yes, I saw the baby, the teeny weeny thing. I fed the baby. Did you feed the baby? Yes, I fed the baby. What a hungry little one. I sang to the baby. Did you sing to the baby? Yes, I sang to the baby, and the baby sang to me. I tickled the baby. Did you tickle the baby? Yes, I tickled the baby, the wrinkly wingly thing. I kissed the baby. Did you kiss the baby? Of course I kissed the baby, my own amazing baby. And I am going to do it again. Quack, 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 say the baby. Such a beautiful book about kissing the baby, right? I have one more story for you. This book is called I Love You Little One by Nancy Tafuri. Let's get started. Deep in the woods to the sandy river bank, a little deer asked, Do you love me, Mama? And Mama Deer says, Yes, little one, I love you as the rivers love you, full and singing before you, giving you cool water to drink. I love you as the river love you, forever and ever and always. Deep in the woods, by the mossy palm edge, a little dog asked, Do you love me, Mama? And Mama Dog says, Yes, little one, I love you as the palm loves you, wide and calm beneath you, giving you food and places to swing. I love you as the palm loves you, forever and ever and always. Deep in the woods, in a dirt dog burrow, a little rabbit asks, Do you love me, Mama? And Mama Rabbit says, Yes, little one, I love you as the earth loves you, cozy and snug around you, giving you a warm place to sleep. I love you as the earth loves you, forever and ever and always. Deep in the woods, in the dark mountain cave, a little bear asks, Do you love me, Mama? And Mama Bear says, Yes, little one, I love you as the mountains love you, sturdy and safe around you, giving you shelter from snow and rain. I love you as the mountains love you, forever and ever and always. Deep in the woods, in a long-built house, a little child asks, Do you love me, Mama? And Mama says, Yes, little one, I love you as the stars love you, constant and bright above you, giving you joy and peace and wonder. I love you as the stars love you, forever and ever and always. The end. I have one last book for you, and I hope that you are enjoying the baby and toddler story time. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to my channel, okay? This last book is called My Fume Comida by Rebecca and Burley. This is our last book for today. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bananas. Las bananas. Brócoli. El brécol. Plum. La ciruela. Bread. El pan. Apple. La manzana. Pear. La pera. Eggs. Los huevos. Cereal. El cereal. Tomato. El tomate. Noodles. Los fideos. Grapes. Las uvas. Soup. La sopa. Carrots. Las zanahorias. Peas. Los guisantes. Peanut butter. La mantequilla de cacahuate. Celery. El apio. Radish. El rábano. And the last thing is berries, las bayas. I hope that you enjoyed the baby toddler story time. We read so many books today. I hope that you enjoy and you learn. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I see you in our next video, in which we are going to be learning about counting, right? Do you know how to count? Yes? Don't forget to give us a like. And please subscribe to my channel. Bye.